Marhaban, welcome back again, guys. This is just a continuation of my two previous videos. If you've not watched, please go check it out so that you can be able to follow up with this video. And if you are new, this is my Emirati Arabic journey. Please join me. Let's learn this language together. The progress is going on very well. So in this video, I'm going to share with you what I've learned so far, the common words that are related to home. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So the first one is room. Like for example, in this room is called gorfa. Gorfa. Ana fil gorfa. Ana fil gorfi. I am in my room. A living room or sitting room is called sala or gorfat ajulis. Ajulis come from the word sitting. Sitting. Ana jalis or ada ajalis. So gorfat ajalis, okay, or you can call it sala. And most of the time they call it sala, okay. And then bedroom, it just still come from the word gorfat gorfat anom, because sleep is nom. So gorfa is come from the word room. Kitchen is matbak. Matbak. I hope I'm pronouncing that one very well. Matbak. Dining is gorfat atam. Gorfat atam. Tam is food, okay? Gorfat atam. So you see, like those three words, like they almost, like they are related. These are just related words, okay? And then bathroom or toilet is called hammam. Hammam. Door is bab. Sakir el bab. Close the door, okay? And then chair is kursi. Kursi, okay? Jib kursi. Bring kursi. Chair. Bed is sarir. Sarir is bed. Ana nom means sarir. Ana nom means sarir. I don't know if that is correct, okay? Refrigerator. Thalaja is refrigerator. That one I knew way back. Television is just television or telvas. I think telvas. Television for me, I'll just say television. Okay. And then washing machine, gasala. That one also as well I knew before. Gazala. I think gazala. Laundry room is Gorfat al-Ghazal. Gorfat al-Ghazal. Ghazal is wash, okay? So washing room or laundry room. Curtain or the door, the window curtain, sitara or sitara. Yeah, sitara. Okay. And then mirror is mirror. It's the same, mirror. Clock or the time is sa. That's normal. And then dustbin, the kitchen dustbin, zubala, okay? Wedi zubala bara. Take the trash outside, all right? And then the bell, the doorbell is called jaris. Sawi jaris. Ring the bell. The last one is cup. Cup is kub. Okay, it's just kub. And then plate, sahan. This is also almost like Kiswahili. So plate is sahan. So guys, that is it for today. I'm trying to make it as short as possible for me to be able to come back and revise very easily. And also for you, if you're following me or if you're learning with me, it will be easier as well for you to be able to master a few things here and there. Let me know in the comment section below if there is anything that you'd like me to talk about. Otherwise, there are more videos lined up for me and you in the next videos. Alright? Yala masalama bashufek el video el jai. Bashufek maratani el video el jai. Alright? See you soon. Yala masalama.